Today we were out at the Ford dealership here in Georgetown, Texas, just north of Austin. Wanted to take you guys through kind of at a behind the scenes look at some of the work that goes into actually installing the electric vehicle chargers. On this site, we're putting in 6 level 2 48 amp chargers and 2 level 3 180 kW fast chargers. One thing to keep in mind here, we work with the electric utility provider Encore in this area to handle all of the permitting on this job. So instead of trenching across this whole drainage ditch and then cutting through concrete there today, we're using what's called a directional bore. What this allows us to do is, one, not have to cut through all of the dirt here and risk running into one of these utilities. But then also it allows us not have to rip up any concrete here. And so that's going to save a lot of time and money on this project.